It's been a little bit of a scramble this morning. We had aspirations to wake up earlier and hit the road earlier, but I don't think we lived up to that. But anyway, bit of a scramble this morning. Just finished getting all of our stuff packed the camp stuff on the bikes yesterday.
15 days on the road, and today we're gonna head to somewhere in northern Idaho.
Then across to Montana, Wyoming, Utah, cut through Nevada, Oregon, back to Washington. So this line is obviously not accurate. But yeah, we're a little bit in a rush because we woke up a little later and had our coffees. It's going to be a little storm that's on its way that I can see on the horizon when actually it's here. So anyway, so yeah, so it's a big loop, just a big 15-day loop. Halfway there for the day. Halfway there for the day. Halfway, day's half, or half there.
Wow. Very cool.
I've never seen you do that dance before.
It's a new one.
Couple hours, huh? Or is it 4 hours? No.
Like
2.5.
3.5.
3.5 hours. First day is always chaotic. You gotta remember all your knickknacks. You're just trying to get out of town. Nowhere feels far enough yet to feel like you're on the trip because everything's familiar, right? You gotta get out of like familiar territory. Just takes kind of like all day to do that. So maybe by the second day you feel like, okay, there's no going home. You know what I mean? Right now you're like, holy smokes, what am I doing? Why am I doing this thing? Soaked. Really, you're wet too.
It was a bit wet.
You could say that again.
Turkeys are awesome. The
Yeah.
turkeys are actually really cool. They're like a little turkey family. Let's go. Go get one of these salad bags and just shake it up in there.
That's not a bad idea. It's always kind of nice trying grocery stores in other states to see what they got, you know.
They got some interesting stuff. Like, look at, check this out. Pepsi Peach?
Oh, actually, never heard of that. I haven't heard of that yet, actually.
That sounds interesting. Like this. What is that?
7 o'clock. Touch late.
I'm so hungry. 6.5 hours of like drive time, bad weather.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the farthest I've gone in a day on my bike.
It's just a little picnic lunch. There's so much to do almost. You know, like all day there's just the first day is I'm always so anxious the first day actually. I don't know why, you know? Your body just knows it's going on an adventure and anything could happen, I guess, and stuff. But I swear, last time we were on the road for 30 days or so, and we got home, everything was this exact same, you know? Made me realize, like, really made me think, like, you might as well go, because, you know, unless you leave the water running, everything's going to be the same when you get home. I like REI, but I don't buy anything there usually. I go there just thinking I'm gonna, like, it's like, oh, you're just like touching this stuff. I did buy a water bottle holder once. That's what I bought. It's like the lamest thing you buy at REI. But it's coming in handy now. Wow, looks like Idaho, all right.
You could swim.
Yeah, you could. Definitely.
These are my spiffy new water pants.
Yes. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow.
These mats are awesome. They actually are so good. I slept like I was in a bed. Oh, coffee time.
We'll do a little stretch before we go to.
Just launched an ant off that. Just instantly like that means something. Here I go, boys. Nice to know ya. Boys back home ain't gonna do this.
a gas station in a forest.
I think it's gonna be good.
I think so, right?
Really good. They were out of brisket.
Okay.
So got double pulled pork.
Awesome, perfect. Don't want to make too much of a mess.
Do we need to rotate it?
Yeah, we do. You don't have your keys, do you?
No, I don't. I'll go grab them, okay?